Guess who's going to Mexico? 2 days to go before my vacation.
Empty my bank account and buy that boy with a pipe. Buy that boy with a pipe. I might.
We have arrived!
That's the best one.
Fuck! I'm in Cancun right now and sobrang na-miss ko yung weather na ganito kainit. Ah! Ah! Grabe, nakakatamad pala talaga mag-vlog, no? Pero I already ate. Kumain ako ng Pepe's Food. I mean, Pepe's Food yung pangalan. And then I ate tacos and burger before ako mag-beach. And super init ngayon. And I love it! I love it! Something na wala pa sa Vancouver ngayon because it's still spring, na sobrang lamig pa rin sometimes. But I am loving this!
Do you slide on all your nights like?
Habang nagsiswimming ako kanina sa beach, nakalimutan ko na may 20 pesos, Mexican pesos sa bulsa ko. Andiyan na, JC baka na mag-swim. Ngayon, nabigay ako ng 20 Mexican pesos sa beach. Ang galing!
Hi, I miss my family. I miss my parents. They would love walking here in this kind of view after dinner, after kumain. Hi. Alam niyo ba guys, ever since I arrived here in Cancun, never pa ako nagko-coffee. I can't believe it. Samantalang doon nasa Vancouver ako, buhay ko ang kape. But now, goodbye coffee. Say yes to a lot of cocktails. Yes! You think? Yeah. Gracias. So I just came back from pink party and it's so fucking tiring. I mean, the travel time was so long. Hinihina ko po, ang ina. Today is my one full day because tomorrow I only have half day because I'm checking out at 12 and my flight is at 5 p.m. But yung airport transfer ko is ipipick up ako ng 1. Kasi sobrang layo ng downtown. Sobrang layo ng airport dito. I think almost an hour going to the airport. So, yeah. Let's enjoy this. Okay guys, we're heading out. We're going to the beach. Naiinis ako dahil tinanghali ako ng gising. Hindi ako makatulog kagabi. Pero, ayan, tanghali na ako. Ngayon babangon. Sana may space pa sa beach. I'm so happy. Sobrang saya ko. Dahil naranasan ko itong weather na ganito. And wala namang beaches sa Vancouver. I am so grateful to my Lord, to the universe, to myself. Because I think sa ganito.
Every single fucking penny. I love it.
Jealous bitches and surround sound.
Guys, I'm checking out today! no! Kanina napaisip ako, siguro mga 1 minute ako nag-iisip. Sabi ko, mag-extend ba ako? Kaso may trabaho ako bukas, tapos may klase pa ako bukas. Di ko na kaya, tuyo ko na!
I got my morning coffee and today is my last day. Sobrang masaktan ako.
anything?
Guys, I checked out already. Buo ko talaga naiinis ako. But yeah, I'm so happy. I'm just waiting for the lunch place na mag-open. Mag-lunch muna ako before I go. Super sad.
Okay, so this is so frustrating. Apparently, yung nabook kong airport transfer na from my hotel going to the airport is nasa ibang location now. How is that possible na nasa ibang location ka? Eh nakasulat sa app ko, sa Trip.com app, at saka sa mga confirmation emails na dito mo ako sa pick-up point na to susunduin. So sinasabi sa akin ng agent, yung nakausap sa WhatsApp, na wrong location daw. So parang paano magiging mali yun? Eh, sobrang imposible kasi tama lahat ng info na sinulat ko, tama yung location na nasa app. Sobrang frustrated ako. As in, sobrang stress na stress ako. Ngayon, buti na lang may bellman doon na pinuka ko ng taxi. I don't know if legal siya, pero wala akong magagawa. Pinatos ko na. Buti na lang kamo, may natitira pa ako Mexican peso. Kasi yung Uber ko from that hotel, it will cost me so much money. And ang tagal. And I have to chase my flight at 5 p.m. So sana itong nasa Miyangkor, hindi siya scam. Babae siya. Sobrang nakaka-stress. I booked it through Trip.com. It's just that sobrang daming business or company yung connected na ito yung transfer mo, ito yung details. Tapos tama lahat ng address doon. Hindi ko alam kung bakit sa mali ako pinick up. Sobrang disappointed ako. So I had to pay 650 pesos. Consigned yun actually. Kinausap ko pa yung bellman doon para lang makapasok ako. Anyway, thank God I'm here and I'm just waiting for my flight.
Latino, not silver. Please.